Generic advice does not work for diabetes reversal. If you have been trying to reverse diabetes but have not seen the results despite following all the so called expert advice, there's a reason for it. And let's break it down for you. First of all, diabetes is not just about sugar because it's about a metabolic dysfunction. Most people give generic advice and say cut sugar, eat less, exercise more, walk more, but the problem is way bigger than what you see. Diabetes is not just about sugar intake, it's about how your body processes the sugar. The real issue is insulin resistance, where your body stops responding to insulin properly. Simply cutting carbs won't fix the root cause of a metabolic dysfunction, right? So instead of focusing on just food, you need to work on how your body handles energy. Second most important reason is that one size fits all, these kind of diets don't work. So most people are told follow a low carb diet, eat a keto diet, or try intermittent fasting. But what happens? Some people see the results, but a few others might feel even worse. Why? Because a low carb diet may help some of them, but for others it can cause extreme fatigue or hormonal imbalances. Keto diets can cause insulin fluctuations in some people, but in a few others, it can make blood sugar worse over time. At the same time, intermittent fasting can give amazing results for some, but it can increase cortisol, which is a stress hormone in some others, and it can lead to higher blood sugar. So, what works for one person may not work for another because diabetes reversal requires a personalized approach which is tailored to your needs, requirements, and your metabolism. Third, importantly, there is a very common myth among people. They'll say just exercise more and you can reverse diabetes. But that's wrong because if you have insulin resistance, excess cardio can actually spike cortisol and it can worsen blood sugar for you. Strength training is great, but if your nourishment is not touched upon, it won't fix the problem. Overexercising with poor recovery can increase stress on the body, which leads to higher blood sugar levels. So, the right kind of movement matters. Instead of random exercise, you need muscle activation and metabolism boosting techniques. Fourth, importantly, medications only manage symptoms and not the root cause. So, doctors would usually prescribe metformin, glucomet, or insulin to manage your blood sugar levels. So, the truth here is these medications don't fix the root cause, which is insulin resistance. They only help you manage blood sugar temporarily. Over a period of time, your body develops resistance to these prescribed medications, and you will again be put on higher dosages of the medicines. And then you see you are trapped in this vicious cycles for years to come. So, reversing diabetes means fixing how your body handles glucose and not just controlling the numbers on your glucometer with medication. Fifth, importantly, stress and sleep are completely ignored by some people. So, most people think that diabetes reversal is just about food and exercise. But sleep and stress also play a huge role because stress raises cortisol, which blocks insulin from doing its work. So, if you have sleep irregularity or disturbed sleep patterns, it will increase your hunger hormones, which will lead you to more sugar cravings and it will boost your insulin resistance. So, even if your diet is perfect, if you have chronic stress, it can keep your blood sugar elevated for very long hours. So, managing stress and improving sleep are extremely important for diabetes reversal. So, what actually works? Instead of following generic advice, you should get started with a scientifically backed, proven approach to diabetes reversal. Click on the link below and you will know more.